And now the representative from Tennessee, Mr. Fleischmann.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And to the distinguished panel, thank you very much. One of my other functions, as a matter of fact, today I'm the chairman of the Energy and Water Subcommittee of Appropriations. So we're in the process of passing a very strong bipartisan bicameral energy and water bill. But I could not do my job without chemists. I do a lot of work with the nuclear industry, so to each and every one of you all who are participating, thank you. To the American Chemistry Council, tremendous years of affinity and work with you all, so thank you for your discipline and your profession. I'm going to start with my question for Mr. Corkwell. Sir, you've talked about innovation and the importance of bringing safer, more efficient chemistries to market. Can you share how Lubrizol collaborates with customers and equipment manufacturers during the development to ensure these solutions meet real-world needs and deliver the performance improvements they're looking for?
Yeah, thank you for the question. So for nearly 100 years, Lubrizol's existed starting in a garage in Cleveland, Ohio. And all of that time, it has been about science, technology, and improving performance through chemistry. That continues today by working with those others in our value chain, like the engine manufacturers, the vehicle manufacturers, the industrial equipment manufacturers, to set up the tests that meet the criteria to demonstrate the use of agriculture equipment during harvest, and to find some of those most extreme conditions that can cause your oil to age prematurely or your engine to wear prematurely, to make sure the products we are innovating are helping those products last longer, produce less emissions, and use less fuel. So innovation means being able to change those molecules and bring those new chemistries to market to replace older ones so that we can have better efficiency and better environmental standards.
Thank you. Appreciate that response. Ms. Bertrand, you represent companies making significant research and development investment decisions. Can you quantify how regulatory uncertainty under the Toxic Substances Control Act affects the timeline and costs of bringing new chemicals to market? What specific reforms would provide the certainty needed to keep chemical innovation in the United States rather than moving overseas?
Yes, thank you for that question. I guess in 2024, chemical manufacturing sector invested $14.8 billion into research and development. That is private sector money. That's not taxpayer money. That goes towards new chemistries, new products, new manufacturing ideas. When there are delays in actually approving new innovations, or if there's uncertainty as to whether or not there could be approval achieved in the United States, it's more than just an administrative impact. This is an impact where companies have to make a decision as to whether or not there's a different market for them to invest in overseas. And one of the things that comes with it is that if a chemistry moves overseas and it is manufactured overseas, it still cannot be imported into the United States. So all of the uses of that innovative chemistry, the innovative technology that comes out of it, will also stay out overseas. So it puts the United States dependent on foreign entities.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that perspective. And again, once again, to each and every one of you all, thank you for great testimony. Mr. Chairman, I will yield back.